In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use quote blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to highlight an impactful statement, share a testimonial, or add a touch of personality to your site, quote blocks can be a simple yet powerful design element. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add, position, and customize a quote block to make it stand out and align perfectly with your website's style. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website you'd like to edit. It's important to make sure you're in the correct site, so you're making changes to the right place. Once you're inside, locate the specific page where you want to add the quote block. When you've found it, click the Edit button in the top left corner. This will open the site editor, where you can modify your page. Now, hover your mouse over the section where you want to place the quote block. As you do this, you'll notice blue lines and small plus sign buttons appearing on the screen. These indicate where you can insert new content. Click the plus icon at the exact spot where you want the quote block to appear. This will open the Add Block menu, where you'll see a variety of content options. Scroll through the menu and select the quote block. This will add a default quote block to your page, which you can now customize. Next up, let's position the quote block. You can drag and drop it to move it around within the section you're working on. Simply click and hold the block, then drag it to the desired spot. This step is all about making sure the placement enhances the visual flow of your page. A strategically placed quote block not only draws attention, but also improves the overall user experience. Once the block is in position, let's move on to customizing the text. Double-click on the existing quote text to open the text editor. This is where you can replace the default placeholder text with your own quote. Type in the words you want to showcase. Make sure your quote reflects the tone and message of your site, whether it's an inspirational line, a customer testimonial, or a personal statement. This is your chance to make it meaningful. Now that the text is set, it's time to design the quote block. Start by adjusting the background color of the block. This is a great way to make the quote visually stand out while keeping it aligned with your branding. Subtle background colors often work best for minimalist designs, while bold colors can add a dramatic pop of style. Choose what fits your website's overall look and feel. Next, you can enhance the block's appearance by adding or customizing the stroke, which is essentially the border around the quote block. This could mean adjusting the stroke color for contrast, increasing the thickness to make it more prominent, or tweaking the corner radius to create a sharp or rounded edge. Depending on your design preference, these small adjustments can make a big difference. Don't forget to modify the padding of the quote block. Padding ensures there's enough space around the text so it doesn't look cramped. A well-spaced quote block feels more polished and professional. Take your time to find the right balance. Finally, if you want to add an extra touch of creativity, experiment with the blend mode and blur settings. The blend mode can create interesting overlay effects, while the blur adds a soft, dreamy look to the block. These options are entirely optional, so feel free to skip them if they don't suit your design. But if you're feeling adventurous, they might just give your quote block that extra wow factor. Once you've customized the design, it's time to finalize everything. Preview your page to review how the quote block looks in real time. Check its placement, design, and overall impact. This is your chance to make any last adjustments to ensure it aligns with your site's style and delivers the clarity and emphasis you want. And there you have it. That's how you add, position, and design a quote block in Squarespace. By following these steps, you now know how to create a visually striking and meaningful quote block that elevates your website's design. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using quote blocks, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.